Hello and welcome to our Wix Hotel series where we'll guide you on how to set up your Wix site for your accommodation business. Today, we're going to be working on our reservation settings, so let's do it. On your Wix site's dashboard, go to the side panel and click on Hotels, and under Hotels, click on Property Settings. Scroll down a little bit and look for Reservation Settings. Now click on Manage Booking Engine. We have three sections we need to work on here, namely General Rules, Search Rules, and Guest Details. Let's talk about them one by one, starting with the first section, General Rules. So this is where you can set up auto confirmations and room reservation limits. Now, would you like to manually confirm reservations or to auto-confirm reservations? If you choose this first option, manually confirm reservations, you will have to manually adjust your reservations by changing the status of each reservation. If you choose auto-confirm reservations, you can choose to automatically confirm all reservations or only paid ones. So this is where you can choose. Click on All Reservations to select it, or click on Paid Reservations to select it. You'll also have the option to either enable or disable this option to let guests reserve multiple rooms. If you would like to let guests reserve multiple rooms, tick on the checkbox that corresponds to it. Now, indicate the maximum number of rooms that a single guest can reserve. Once you're done, you can move on to the next section, and that is the search rules. So this is where you can configure how guests search for rooms and the results that they see. So indicate the maximum number of adults per room. Also, indicate the maximum number of children per room. And then indicate the default number of adults in Booking Engine. You can also enable or disable the following. Show discounted prices by comparing them with the main rate, or show unavailable rooms and search results. So feel free to tweak these according to your preferences and according to the services that you offer on your rooms. Once you're done, you can move on to the third section, and that is guest details. So this is where you can choose the info you want guests to submit along with their reservation. So tick the checkbox for the corresponding info that you request for your guests to submit once they make a reservation. So let's say, for example, a national ID or passport. For the terms of use, you can also enable or disable these. Terms of service must be accepted by guests. And if you do want this enabled, input the link to your terms of service here and input the link to your privacy policy here as well. These are very important so that your guests or potential guests would be able to read them. And if ever they agree to the terms of service, then only then will they be allowed to make a reservation. You can also enable or disable general data protection regulations. If you want this enabled, also provide a link to your general data protection regulation over here. For ID required, guests must provide their ID number if the reservation price is greater than this baseline. So set a baseline here. Once this baseline is reached or exceeded, then guests must provide their ID for verification and safety purposes. Anyway, once you're done with everything, make sure to review everything once more, double check it or triple check it, because it's very important that you give out accurate information to prevent any problems in the future. And once everything is all accurate, then you can go ahead and click on the Save button. And you'll be able to successfully update your reservation settings. And that's it. Stay tuned as we continue working on our Wix Hotel site. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.